We are on our way to Kentucky and we decided to take a break on our drive and visit Versailles State Park in southern Indiana. This park is about an hour and a half southeast of Indianapolis, an hour and a half northwest of Louisville, Kentucky, and a little over an hour west of Cincinnati, Ohio. Covered bridge?
Yep.
One lane bridge.
Yeah, we didn't want to go that way.
No.
We're more than 5 tons.
Wow. So, park office. Can't you just park right here?
I don't know. I didn't ask her how to say it.
Oh. Creek bed is like nothing in there.
Versailles.
Versailles, yeah. What's that say? Lake Dam Site, Lake Viewing Area. Nature Center, boat ramp. Oh, there's the water park, yeah. Over there's
a mountain bike trail.
Yeah. So it goes
Swing
out,
around,
yeah.
point right back out.
Yeah.
So we are in Versailles. I don't know how you say it. Versailles State Park in Versailles, Indiana. Can I ask you a question?
Of course.
How do you pronounce where we're at?
Oh. Versailles.
Versailles? That's what I thought it was.
We're not experts though.
Okay. At least I asked. Thank you. You too. They said Versailles.
Versailles State Park is in the beautiful rolling hills of southeastern Indiana. The park, Indiana's second largest state park, is in an area of deep-rooted history in both the Civil War and the Civilian Conservation Corps. Numerous fossils have been found that tell the story of an ancient sea that covered the region. During the Civil War, Morgan's raiders made their way through the area that is now the park. The neighboring town of Versailles was briefly under Confederate control. Versailles State Park has a 230-acre lake where you can rent a rowboat, kayak, or canoe. You can get a workout and see the beauty of the park by taking a walk on the hiking trails or a ride on the mountain bike trails. Bring your horses for the day to enjoy the more than 20 miles of horse trails. The park has a seasonal pool with water slides. fall, enjoy the Versailles Pumpkin Show in the town of Versailles on the last weekend in September. For Halloween festivities, visit the park the last weekend in October. We would like to invite you to subscribe to our channel. It helps us to continue to create content. Please consider subscribing with the notification bell on so you won't miss any of our episodes.
Yep. We got a one-lane bridge here. The Bushing Bridge.
We enjoyed our bike ride through the park and also ventured into the nearby town of Versailles. You can ride from the park on a country road into town and enjoy the beauty of the area, including a covered bridge. The town of Versailles, with a population of a little over 2,000, has a wonderful town square with numerous shops and restaurants. Versailles was founded in 1818 by the first settlers who came to this Indian territory in 1781. Versailles was incorporated in 1845.
So we are in Versailles, I guess, Indiana. Anyway, this looks like the county courthouse. I think it says over there on the door. But I noticed as we're riding through town here that they have up on their light poles, they have these honor flags for military members. Those that are present and those from the past. So hats off to Versailles, Indiana. Great job. Club has their own building here. Versailles, Indiana Town Square.
The Ripley County Courthouse was constructed, started in 1959, and took 5 years to complete. The following year, the county treasury was looted by General Morgan's raiders during his historic raid into Northern Territory. The town of Versailles was very fortunate in being the home of the late James H. Tyson, benefactor and philanthropist, who with Charles Walgreen Sr. founded the Walgreen drug chain. Make your plans to visit the town of Versailles and Versailles State Park. You won't be disappointed. The campground in the park contains 226 sites with electricity, some having 50 amp service and a number of pull-through sites as well. There are also 9 equestrian campsites with electricity. A water fill station and a dump station are available also. One thing to know about Indiana state parks is the campground check-in and check-out time is 2 o'clock p.m., with the exception of Sundays and designated holidays when the check-in and check-out time is 5 o'clock p.m.
This is how we carry our electric bikes around. We fold them up and we put them in the totes. Fold my pedals in.
Oh, I forgot to do that.
Bike over here.
Handlebars go down.
Handlebar down.
Put your mirrors in.
Mirrors in.
Oh, did you undo your key?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
My bike in half. Such. Pick her up. Put it in the tote.
And we got some wheels. And in she goes.
And that's our bikes. How was your bike ride?
Very good, very good. I love it.
Did ya?
Yeah. Gets a little crazy going up some of those hills and down them. But
Love them electric bikes.
Yeah, yeah.